Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SAT TV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Adam Kirkley at DataPath. Adam, thanks for joining us. MaxView software, what is it?
Well, we've come out with a new release of MaxView software called MaxView Enterprise right now, and there are three major features that are coming out. One we call Access Anywhere, which is really providing the entire enterprise the insight that MaxView provides through a fully featured performant web client. The second feature is going to be around our integrated business intelligence, some major improvements around the performance to help solve some big data problems, and also interactive reports that will allow our customers to really hone in on the data they care about. And then lastly, there's some integrated continuous learning that provides some context-sensitive help for our operators when they need it most.
Yeah, in this day and age where people are moving around, they need mobile access to it. Does it provide that?
Absolutely. So the new web client that we're coming out with now is a full-featured and high-performance mobile access. Anything that has a web browser you can get into MaxView. And what's really different and unique about this solution here is it takes the typical client approach to a web client and kind of turns that on its head, where we really rely on a server data push model, which is more performant by taking the data that you're looking at, and the server says, I'm going to give you that data when you need it, and only when you need it, when that data is updated. So the end result is a very performant web client that it is a web client that's going to feel like a native application for our users.
Now, what about the reporting structure?
So again, with MaxView Enterprise, there was a major upgrade to our report server engine. You're going to notice a lot of performance improvements around big data sets, but what's really interesting is the interactive reports, as we call it. And this allows for our operators to go into a live data set and manipulate those input parameters and see what impact that has on that data set. Operators can go and show and hide certain pieces of the data, rearrange, advanced filtering, change the sorts of graphs that they're looking at. It really allows for the operators to get in and see the data that they care about, get it presented exactly the way they care about for the most efficient way to digest that data.
Now, everybody says their software is user-friendly. How friendly is MaxView?
Well, let me give you a good example about user-friendly with a feature that we call continuous learning, or sometimes interactive tech manuals. So imagine a situation where an operator is presented with a more obscure alarm condition that's impacting their service. With MaxView now, a simple request for additional help may present a vendor manual opened up to the exact page talking about that alarm and the troubleshooting steps to solve it, or even better yet, maybe a short 30-second video that's showing them the steps for how to troubleshoot and resolve those issues.
Now, for your customers, what benefits is it going to offer?
Yeah, so MaxView Enterprises certainly have a lot of features. I look at it more as kind of an integration framework to help us solve our customers' tough problems. So when I'm talking about MaxView with somebody, I really like to understand what are their difficulties in their business, what are the tough challenges, and I like to take the features, the tools that the MaxView toolkit provides and really get to know and solve those customers' problems. So for me, I like understanding their business and getting to establish a long-term relationship with them.
And finally, who is a typical customer?
So MaxView serves commercial, broadcast, and government customers. We've been in the industry for about 18 years. There are thousands of terminal installations installed on all 7 continents. So everything from small flyaway SATCOM terminals to large broadcasters with hundreds of thousands of devices in their installations.
Adam, thank you very much.
Thank you.